Traditional budgeting methods based on previous year spending are no longer sufficient in today's shifting marketplace. Organizations require a flexible approach aligned to strategy and based on current needs if they want to maximize resources. Zoe Talent Solutions Zero-Based Budgeting (ZBB) training course provides the training needed to implement this transformative budgeting process. Attendees will master techniques to evaluate all expenditures on a needs basis, implement rolling forecasts, align budgets directly to initiatives, and build transparency and accountability into the process. Through ZBB, organizations can break free of outdated budget assumptions and identify the true cost, efficiency, and necessity of resource allocations. Participants will learn how to analyze value and cost drivers, justify spending, identify wasteful spending, assign resources based on priorities, and optimize efficiency. The benefits of ZBB are immense. Organizations are able to swiftly respond to market changes, make strategic investments, reduce costs, improve forecasting, and strengthen performance management. Employees at all levels gain critical budgeting skills to benefit their department and the wider organization. Now is the time to adopt a fresh approach to budgeting that drives strategy. Register your team for Zoe Talent Solutions Zero-Based Budgeting (ZBB) training course and unlock sustainable growth.